ഷാഡോ ലേണിംഗ് സൊല്യൂഷൻസിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഈ വീഡിയോകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപയോഗപ്രദമാകുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും താഴെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. സഹകരണ മേഖലയിലെ പരീക്ഷകളുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് സ്റ്റഡി മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് ആവശ്യമുള്ളവർ താഴെ കാണുന്ന നമ്പറിൽ കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. Who won the Best Young Player Award in FIFA World Cup 2022? Enzo Fernandez, Lucas Podolski, Thomas Muller, Landon Donovas. Answer option A, Enzo Fernandez. Where is the headquarters of Swimming Federation of India? Kolkata, Ahmedabad, New Delhi, Chandigarh. Answer option B, Ahmedabad. GSTIN identification number consists of how many digits? 10, 6, 15, 16. Answer option C, 15. Which among the following is not a constitutional agency? Niti Aayog, UPSC, Election Commission, Finance Commission. Answer option A, Niti Aayog. In which town in Kerala 5G service is provided to customers? Kochi, Kozhikode, Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. Indian Olympic Association established in the year 1927, 1928, 2022, 2010. Answer option A, 1927. Which city is called Oyster City? Kalibilot, Indore, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Jalandhar, Punjab, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Answer option A, Kalibilot, Indore. Grey Revolution is related to eggs, fish, fruits, fertilizer. Answer option D, fertilizer. The Battle of Parsi was in 1764, 1762, 1748, 1757. Answer option D, 1757. First woman Chief Election Commissioner Sujata Manohar, V.S. Remadevi, Leela Seth, Urmila Pand. Answer option B, V.S. Remadevi. Global Family Day is celebrated on March 2, April 9, January 1st, December 10. Answer option C, January 1. Who is the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh? Bhupendra Patel, Sukhbinder Singh Guru, Bhagwant Mann, Charanjit Chani. Answer option B, Sukhbinder Singh Guru. Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport is at Lucknow, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Pune. Answer option A, Lucknow. A money bill is introduced in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, none of these. Answer option A, Lok Sabha. Ayangali Panchami Smaraka School is situated at Kulachal, Mambram, Uruttambalam, Chimani. Answer option C, Uruttambalam. The capital of Uganda, Bangkok, Tunis, Kampala, London. Answer option C, Kampala. The currency of Portugal, Real, Euro, Ruble, Dollar. Answer option B, Euro. Agriculture is related to seafish farming, dairy farming, food farming, intensive farming. Answer option A, seafish farming. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Speaker, Prime Minister, Governor, Vice President. Answer option D, Vice President. Paleontology is the study of coins, fossils, rocks, none of these. Answer option B, fossils.